Brad Lawler, Home Team Inspection Service. Dick is selling a 1960s home, and the inspector for the buyer says the basement has no ventilation, but won't say if it actually needs any. So understand, the inspector says no ventilation. Apparently, the buyer has said, we want ventilation in the basement. But does the basement need to breathe, or is everyone just blowing hot air?
Yeah, I would have to see the house that doesn't have some sort of ventilation in it, whether it's got the HVAC unit down there, whether it's got windows in it. There's a lot of different ways to get those areas vented. I don't know that that is something that we're going to be necessarily writing up. I think you got to look at the conditions that are there. So yeah, I think we may be making a mountain out of a molehill on that one, but also have to, look at what the purpose. Do they want to convert, 1960 space? Maybe they're converting that into, living space, but, today it may be completely unfinished and all they've got is just one, just a return down there. And it's just the ambient, air that's leaking from the air handler that's going into that space. Again, usually there's something they're putting air into that space.
Yep, and I'll go one step further. Again, remember I tell you on the promos when I read these that one of my specialties is negotiation. So let me share something with you. So note that if there is no ventilation and the buyer wants you to put ventilation in there, that technically, and Chuck, tell me if I'm wrong, would be considered an upgrade. And you can reply in the repair request. You would love to be able to help them and put the ventilation in, but because that's an upgrade, you'll do it, but at the cost of the buyer. So I think that's the best way to say it, because you don't have to do it, especially if it's not required. You don't have to do it anyway if you don't want to in a repair request. So